What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful E200 Avantgarde line in Nautic blue. Now before we get right to the details of the interior, let us take a walk around to show you guys how gorgeous this car looks from the outside before we head right in. Now the Nautic blue, as you can see, is like a dark shade of blue. You notice half of this car on this side looks like it's black, but on this side you clearly can see that it's blue. You see what I mean? So these kind of colors are amazing because the minute this car hits the shade, you have a black car at night. In daytime, it's a blue car. Now let's start off with the front. You get your LED high performance front lights for your E200. Now your DRL should be located right at the top right there. So that's a very clean and sleek looking light. Now let's move down to the bumper. You have this amazing black finish of a front bumper. Nautic blue all over the place. You got the chrome lining at the bottom right here of the number plate all the way to that side. You do get your number plate right here at the center, and you have all these Mercedes-Benz started grille all over the front. There's Mercedes-Benz stars, right? So very nice. You got a huge one right in the center because that is a glass sensor. So your sensor is located right behind this logo. As you can see, you can't really feel it because it's a glass. You get your 360 camera located right up there as well as all over the car. Now I love the chrome lining that happens all over the bottom, the center, with all the stars happening, so it has that very luxurious feel. You get your Mercedes-Benz badging right here on the hood, which is fantastic. You got these lines happening on the top of the hood that makes it look as aggressive as it can be. Check it out, guys. When you start moving, you see how the light actually changes. Very nice. So Nautic blue is a very gorgeous color indeed. Now move down to the side. We got these amazing wheels that we have right here. Pirelli tires, of course. You do get the grey finish on the inside, the silver on the outside, which makes it look absolutely stunning, man. I love it. Tire size 245, 45, 19-inch. You got your solid disc brakes on the inside. Brake caliper is right there. You got your Mercedes-Benz wheel caps in black and silver. So very nice finish indeed, man. Gorgeous. Love the design. Now move down to the side. We got your side mirrors located right here, which also in Nautic blue, follows the body color. You got your gloss black finish happening right here, and also you got your chrome lining that goes all across the car, side profile of the car, and goes down to the center, to the front. You got your door handles that pop up like this the minute you touch them, with Mercedes-Benz wordings right here, chrome at the top. You got Nautic blue right here. So you pull it open, and let's take a look at the inside. Before we jump right to the doors, love the wooden finish that is on the dashboard, and everything that's happening with the seats are fantastic. Now let's start off with the side of the doors. You got your door handle right here to pull to open, seat adjustments right here. You got your memory seats located right here together with your heated seats. So you got your handle to pull and close the door, your window adjustments up and down. You got your compartment storage down here also as well, so very nice indeed. You get your ambient lighting that goes across from the front all the way like that, so very nice touch. You got your ambient lighting located at the door right here as well, so very cool like design. So you can change the color all from the main screen. Now take a look at the seats. You got your contra stitching in a way, grey stitching at some places. The rest of them are in these perforated seats with all these lines heading downwards, so very nice, clean looking design. Now let's jump right in. Before that, Mercedes-Benz side plates lighted up, very cool. Now take a look at the interior. You do get your stars at the dashboard here, which also light up. Not sure if you can tell, but they are changing colors right now, so very cool. You got your ambient lighting at the bottom right here, go all the way to the center, goes back up, gorgeous finish. You got your ambient lighting that goes across the whole dashboard to the other side. So let's close this door and check it out. Very nice, dude. Dude, it does look very good, man. It does look very good. Okay, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger side. Let's open up the doors once again to show you from the other side if you wish to see. On this side, leg room is fantastic. Of course, I've not adjusted the front seats to suit my sitting position, but I'm already feeling very comfortable. Seat belts are in black. You got your whole seat in black. Very nice. Let's move the seat a little bit forward. Yeah, and before we get right to the details of this, let's jump to the back. Take a look at the back right here. Let's open that up. And first thing you notice is that you got your sun blinds here, which also you can pull them down if you don't wish to go with them all the way up. You got your ambient lighting located right across the door side right here, your handles right here, hand to pull to close the door, window adjustments right here, texture like finish over here that's different. You got your compartment storage down here together with your ambient lighting once again that goes all the way. Get what I mean? I love how it's designed, man. Very nice. Leather finish, leather finish, leather finish. This also is a leather finish. Damn, solid. Very nice. Now, this is the interior of the rear. Let's jump right in. And this is me sitting comfortably right now. Amazing center view of what I'm looking at. Futuristic headrest. Very nice. So this is me with the seatbelts in black. Comfortable sitting position. Let's pull this down. Let's take a look. Cup holders located right there. Let's push it back up. And you do get your air vents located right here. You got your small compartment storage, and of course you get your charging for type C located down here, both of it. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump right into the center. Let us take a look. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Take a look what I'm looking at. Amazing. Once again, headroom is good. And let's get right down to this door. And let's see what else is hiding over there. Cool. Let's start off with the rear wheels. Now once again, Pirelli rear tires, P0. You get your tire size 275/40 R19. Again, grey on the inside, silver on the outside. Mercedes-Benz wheel caps in black. You got your solid disc brakes located right there. So very, very nice finish indeed for the particular wheel design. So fantastic. You got your petrol cap that's located right here. That's where your petrol cap goes for your fuel. Very nice setup as well. Now let's take a look at the rear. Before we open up the boot space, let us also admire the E200 in chrome. We've got tons of chrome like happening all over the rear. You got your Mercedes-Benz badging also in chrome. Number plate goes right here. Very nice finish. You got your chrome lining at the bottom right here so as well. Very, very nice. And you have your single exhaust on the left side right there. So very clean looking finish. Sensors located right at the rear. You got your matte finish at the bottom right here. Fantastic. Now let's open up the doors, the rear boots, sorry, and check out the space that you guys get. Now we can fold down the seats if you wish to. And take a look. Amazing storage space. You get your hook right here to hang some stuff. You got your hook right here to hang some stuff, including right here, and also you get your compartment storage down here, as well as here. Tire repair kit, you get your foldable basket, tow hook located right there. Very clean, very clean look. Now, let's jump right to this side to show you guys the space that you guys actually get. Amazing storage space for the E200 Nautic Blue Avantgarde line. Amazing. Now, what about the other side? Once again, take a look. Amazing storage space that you guys are actually getting. Gorgeous finish. Amazing, amazing finish. Now, let's jump to the driver side. Tap right here. And take a look at the doors. Now, you do get your seat adjustments here. You got your memory seats located here, heated seats here, your handle to open up. You got your lock and your unlock right here. You got your blue lighting that goes across the whole door, ambient lighting across the whole side right here. Leather finishes all over the place, including at the bottom right here. Love this fabric texture on the inside. Speakers located right there and right there. And you also get your window adjustments, your shade, this finished up texture like design right here for the handles are all over. Amazing. Side mirror adjustments right here, and boot opening and closing right there. So Mercedes-Benz plates lighted up, and this is the driver's seat. Now let's head right in the driver's seat. So this is me sitting comfortably right where I am. Of course, Avantgarde line, you get this round steering wheel. You get some cruise control settings right here, speed limit, resume, cancel and whatnot. You do also get your answering call, rejecting the call and things like that over here. You do get your positive and also your negative pedal shifts happening on this side. Your start button should be on this side right here, and yeah, cool. So screen lights up, amazing layout with what you guys are actually looking at, very cool. Your gear selector is on this side, drive, reverse and P. You also get your wiper adjustments right here together with your signal on this side and this side, very cool. Your center right here is also your driving mode and whatnot, your vehicle settings and other things like that. You got tons of other things that you can do also as well. I love this screen setup, very nice. I like how your navigation is huge. Hazard lights here, vehicle settings on this side also as well. You can choose volume up, volume down, closing it, muting it. Let's open that up. 2 Type-C charging right there, wireless charging goes right here, 2 cup holders here, compartment storage over here. Let's push this, you got your 2 Type-C over here, compartment storage down here. I love the ambient lighting that goes across from this side all the way, and it just goes back down here. So very nice finish, man. I love the finish. Amazing screen. Love the air vents with the ambient lighting that goes across the whole dashboard with all the blue light stars. You know, you can change the ambient lightings on this side. So very nice indeed. Light adjustments on this side, handbrake is on this side. Of course, your air vents and whatnot for you to adjust is on this side. This is to turn off the fan if you don't wish for fan to go in, even though here as well, same thing. Very nice appearance to be. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's side. You got your pedals also in black, as you can see, they're in black, so very nice. Let's get right down and turn on the DRLs for you guys to take a look at. Now these are with the front DRLs turned on, and it does look very sporty indeed. Love how the DRLs actually look at the top right here. So because it's the LED high performance, so these ones only light up, so very nice indeed. Gorgeous lights. Now let's jump to the rear to show you guys how the back actually looks like. Let's close the hood. Of course, your warning triangle is right there. And take a look at the rear. You got these Mercedes-Benz stars right in the lights. Very cool. Very cool. See what I mean? Gorgeous finish, man. So now, let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how it actually looks. Now the turn indicators are located right at the bottom right here. So it does look very nice indeed, in a way. Gorgeous finish for the rear. Now let's take a look at the side mirrors. You also get your turn indicators right here. Very nice. And at the front right here, your DRLs that were turned on automatically goes off and it becomes into this particular design. So very nice appearance. The Nautic blue, the E200 Avantgarde line, how the way this car appears to be is absolutely gorgeous, man. Let's turn this off. And before we get this video to an end, let us just admire how gorgeous this car looks from the front. Once again, amazing appearance to be. Nautic blue, half of this side looks like it's black. The minute the light touches the car, completely looks like, you know, blue, of course. Take a look at the back. Amazing. Blue, black. Amazing screen, amazing display, amazing everything about this car. Gorgeous. Amazing. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycling Garage PJ, where you're able to locate this car behind all those cars, including many more other cars that are located on the outside right there. So that is it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.